Hey campers!
Hey, that's what I was gonna say.
An iconic camping dish is camping nachos, right?
That's right.
We've got the icon Campin Erin, and we've got none other than the Smokin, Griddle, Bois. And we're coming together to make Campin Nachos the only way we know how to do it, over the top. So without further ado, let's go.
Let's go.
First step, we've got to make our salsa verde. So let's start with the garlic.
We'll just get the top off. Then we're just gonna peel.
Just a little behind the ears.
Just like that?
Because it's really simple, because what we're gonna do is after we roast it, we're just gonna take it.
Yeah, that's how I like to do it.
That's the noise, right? Outstanding. We are going to take our serranos, our tomatillos, along with that garlic, get it on the griddle, blister it a little before we put all the rest of the ingredients in the blender, blend it all together to make our salsa verde.
I like the way you said that.
You like the way I said it?
That was great.
We should all like just together, yeah. I mean, that's teamwork, guys. Hey. All right, sorry, Joey. Sorry, Erin.
Got you, buddy. Thanks, guys.
Hey, do we have a dome?
We don't. I wish I knew somebody that had a dome or something we could.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hey!
You already know we have to let these char, but first I gotta do the KG quick spin.
Yeah, I don't think that's quite the same.
All right, let's dice some onion.
Now it's time to dice up the cilantro.
Let's take this veg off the griddle so that we can start putting together our salsa verde. Does that sound good, Joey?
Sounds great.
All right, so we're gonna take all those veggies that we blistered up and get them in the blender. We're then gonna take.
Let me do it. Let me do something.
All right, fine. Cilantro.
I'm not touching the onions. You can do that part.
Okay, I'll touch the onions, I guess.
Just making sure he's doing it right.
That's right. Keep them in check, please.
I'm very nervous right now. All right, so we're gonna take our onions and stick our onions in there. So we need some lime juice.
You're such a good juicer, Greg.
You know, I've been called worse things. And we need a little bit of vegetable stock. I need someone to tell me if this is okay for all the campers out there.
You did a good job.
From an icon.
Now it's time to put the chorizo on the griddle.
Oh.
That looks delicious.
Is that the right word?
All right, let's fry up some eggs. Hold the shell over, make it pretty.
This is so pro-level egg making.
I'm gonna slice some avocados.
I'm always terrified to do it that
I've
way.
cut my hand before doing that.
It's an iconic technique.
Take notes.
I'm taking lots of notes. 45 minutes later, eggs still aren't ready.
All right, we're just gonna toast up our chips really quick.
I think we need to take some of that sauce and put them on the chips.
Ooh, that's good.
That's got some heat to it. That's stinging the nostrils. It's about time. We're gonna get over here. We're gonna assemble some nachos on the cutting board. Because I'm a good teammate, I'm gonna take the cutting board and I'm gonna take it over to Camping Erin and
Keith,
you
gotta let Keith do some work.
Camping Keith. Well, Keith hasn't done anything today, so it's about time that Keith does something for us. So Keith, assemble on the board, my friend.
You guys are doing such a great job.
All right, getting the chorizo on there. Next, let's sprinkle some beans. Make it rain with some black beans.
Thank you.
The goal is to get as little on the nachos as possible.
Now I understand why the bosses get mad about your guys' mess, because this is, you know,
Yep.
it's pushing it.
It's kind of the truth. Because it's not spicy enough, let's add some more verde.
How about some tomatoes?
I think we should do some tomatoes. I have a good
I
idea.
said that first.
I have a good idea. Let's do some tomatoes.
Mashed my hands.
Avocados next.
Look at that. Let's get the egg on there too.
Little crema.
Love that.
And let's finish it off because I'm feeling cheesy today. Erin, are you feeling cheesy?
I'm always feeling cheesy.
Boys, are you feeling cheesy?
Super cheesy. Do a little cilantro garnish. That is looking so good. And the best part is, I didn't have to do anything.
Joey did nothing on this episode besides the camera work and all the editing and all the social media stuff. I mean, but really, come on, like I'm the talent here, so.
We'll go with that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
I think that's it. I think we did a thing. We got nachos. All right, let's dig in here and let's eat it.
Yeah. One more thing.
Is it what I think it is?
Could be. Do you know what it is?
no idea.
No?
I might know what it is.
I know what it is. I think I know.
But will it sandwich?
It's time for Will It Sandwich! because it is a version of camping nachos for all of our campers out there.
Hey, campers.
We are going to do a burrito. Joey, come on. You got to do the burrito. Come on, you roll the burrito. Okay.
All right, so the good thing about this burrito is we're really just gonna take all this that we just made and just throw it in there. All right, let's get a good scoop of all this. Let's just layer this right in here. I really wish I had some extra cheese.
Hey!
Oh,
I
hey!
got some extra cheese for you, buddy.
Okay. Is this actually going to roll?
At least if it doesn't roll, Greg can just blame me.
And it's a good thing that no one's watching and there's no pressure on Joey right now.
No pressure. All right. And now we're gonna sear it. Let's pretend that that's not sticking out like that. We'll give this a little flip. Let's see how it's looking. All right, I think it's ready to go.
I'm very excited. Give it the turn.
Give it the obligatory.
Social media cross section? Yes.
I mean,
Wait, can we get an ooh? And now can we get an ah?
hey, that was fun.
Hey, wait, look who's joining the party to help.
Oh snap.
It's Andy.
Everything's done. It's time to try everything.
Greg,
I'm
we're
gonna-
all waiting to take
Okay,
a bite.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna find out if it'll burrito. All right, everybody take your bites. Get in here.
Okay.
All right.
Good? Yeah?
I can officially say that this sandwiches / burritos.
It's Cerritos.
Oh!
That's not gonna stick.
We got everybody here. We got the bosses. We got the icon herself, Campin Erin. And we have the Smokin Griddle Bois. So do all the things, guys. First of all, follow all their channels. Like
Yes.
everything for all that.
Put them right here.
You can put mine right here.
Like just right here.
Joey's gonna regret that later.
Yeah.
100%. Yeah.
Do all the things. Like what do the kids say? Like,
Subscribe.
subscribe.
Comment, share.
Share.
Like
That bell.
it was fun, guys.
We did it.
All right.
Until next time.
Until next time, guys. Let's go.
Let's go.